The JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker is one of the most popular mid-range portable speakers, designed for users who want powerful sound, long battery life, and outdoor durability in a single device. With its rugged build and built-in power bank, it's perfect for travel, parties, and everyday use. Key features explained. Powerful JBL Original Pro sound with deep bass. The Charge 5 is equipped with a dedicated woofer, separate tweeter, and dual passive radiators, delivering loud, clear audio with strong bass and crisp highs. It produces a fuller sound compared to smaller speakers, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor listening. IP67 waterproof and dustproof design. With an IP67 rating, the speaker is fully protected against dust and can even survive being submerged in water. Whether you're at the beach, pool, or outdoors, it's built to handle tough environments. 20 hours of playtime. The long-lasting battery provides up to 20 hours of playback on a single charge, allowing you to enjoy music all day and night without interruption. Built-in power bank, USB charge out. One of its standout features is the built-in power bank, which lets you charge your phone or other devices directly from the speaker, perfect for travel or outdoor trips. JBL PartyBoost for multi-speaker pairing. With PartyBoost, you can connect multiple JBL Steel speakers together for louder sound or stereo pairing. This is great for parties or expanding your audio setup easily. Bluetooth 5.1 multi-device. Connectivity. The speaker supports stable Bluetooth connectivity and allows you to connect two devices at once so you can easily switch between playlists with friends. Rugged and portable design. Built with durable fabric and rubber housing, the Charge 5 is designed for portability and long-term use. Its compact yet sturdy design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Overall, the JBL Charge 5 is an excellent all-round portable speaker that balances powerful sound, long battery life, and durability. It's especially great for outdoor users and travelers who want a reliable speaker with the added benefit of charging their devices on the go.